We can get an emoji testing, so this is basically a pretty appropriate testing, but if for some reason I just expose my face as well, because it's definitely not really focused, and usually I basically not using, just too lazy to use the iPad so that it can be recorded from the overhead camera. So yeah, but I just didn't notice that it can be almost 4 minutes. This is basically not really a track orientation, so I probably need to do the appropriate folder that just that basically the same like the unboxing video from the unboxing desk, not from the main desk, which is have a portrait aspect ratio, which is pretty tricky. Perhaps I'm not sure. So the keyboard is actually already successfully sold as well, so it's just pretty unnecessary to process this video even longer. But yeah, I just don't want to waste any kind of my footage, so that's the reason why I try to do this pre-recorded emoji as well. Even though yeah, it's pretty wasting my time, but it's okay since I didn't have many better productivity things that I can do. So yeah, this is actually the easiest things, and something that basically make me a little bit satisfied for, after doing it, because yeah, probably it basically made me not regret for not doing it, even though I'm not sure when will I finally able to upload and process this video, because yeah, there are already so many videos that I've been prepared but not process further, because yeah, I basically wanted to, I don't know, maybe process with the better resources, hardware resources, because for some reason it's just pretty annoying when it comes to the limited storage. Or maybe I will try to move several data first to make it, this old MacBook Air is going to be not has alert when the storage is already full, which is pretty annoying. So the keyboard is actually able to be used on Bluetooth as well, obviously, so it's just pretty cheap for $20 for mechanical keyboard, Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. Because yeah, for some reason, if you talk about Bluetooth keyboard from Logitech, is even have more expensive price, so that's pretty crazy. It's just too bright, probably because there are something with the settings on the Magic Lantern in the mirrorless camera. I don't know how to censor my face when it's basically not really stable like this. I probably tried to crop in a very small portion of the video.